Hello guys, today I've got the AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium and I'm going to show you how to manage the Cadence and Pace display settings, how to understand them and master them. So, at first you need to tap this button over here and again to go to this activity center. Open any of the activities and wait a moment. Tap go, wait 10 seconds because our partitioning has to be made. Here, as you can see, we have our workout sorted. And what to do now? So, you need to tap here this button to pause your workout. Unlock your screen with 2 taps, scroll down to the more data page, and now here you have pace. As you can see, here you have pace class. Tap it. Here you have pace, average pace, lap pace, last lap pace. Just tap the one that you just want to have on your screen. I will tap, for example, average pace. Here we have it done. Now let's find cadence. Cadence is here. Cadence, as you can see, let's find it. It will be, no, it won't be here. Let me find the cadence quickly. I think I missed this. Yeah, I missed step class and here. As you can see, we have cadence. I need to get rid of my fingerprints over here. We have here cadence, average cadence, last lap cadence, stride, or any other here. Let me select, for example, here average cadence. And here average cadence can be set here to the just cadence. You just select it up to your own preferences and up to your own needs. And now if you resume, wait a moment. If you resume your
workout resumed.
Workout, everything will be fine now. And that is how it works. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.